Okay, we're almost underwater with our crossover here. So it'll have to be built up a little bit more narrower, I guess. Get a little fill in between. Bring some trucks to fill in. That water's getting high. This side's good. This side's really high. This side's not a problem at all. That side I want to make sure it's high enough. This you can probably use one Walaba post for. It's plenty high enough. All the way to the back. Yeah, because the olive tree grew into it. Well, there's no longer a separation between these two ponds.
What?
No separation. Crossover's underwater. Yeah, it had blooms last time I was out here. Tiny mango, and this thing hasn't even been transplanted. It's got no nutrition. It's a tough mango. If it hangs on. One baby mango. Oh, there might be more baby mangoes coming. If it got some pupa, some manure.
That means that one area is underwater.
Yeah, that would be underwater, yeah.